We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss lecture number 4 of hybrid parameter, chapter 5 of ECA subject. Okay, the topic of lecture number 4 is H parameter model of CE, CB and CC configuration of the transistor. So in the previous lecture we have discussed the transistor equivalent model of H parameter. Okay, so H parameter equivalent model of simple transistor, this was the derivation or the equation or the H parameter model we have seen. Now what is the change? Now we are going to discuss the H parameter model for specific configuration of the transistor. As we are knowing that we can configure or connect our transistor in 3 different configuration: CE, CB and CC. That means common emitter, common base and common collector configuration. So how we can draw a H parameter equivalent model in a particular configuration? So today we have to learn these things. Okay, so let's get started. So first we will discuss CE configuration. Okay, so in CE configuration we will derive it from the above circuit. So all 4 parameters will be written with the new name. So as we are knowing, in a common configuration the input voltage, okay, input voltage is IB. We are knowing that input voltage in common emitter configuration is IB. Now if we see this circuit, then here is input current I1. So we will replace this name I1 with the IB. Okay, this is the current. Okay, input current IB, and in this circuit it is I1. Okay, now input voltage is nothing but the VBE. Okay, here it is nothing but it is V1. So we will replace V1 with the VBE. Now output current in common emitter configuration is nothing but the IC. So here output current is I2. So we will replace I2 with the IC, and output voltage in common emitter configuration we will write it VCE. Okay, and here output voltage is nothing but the V2. Okay, so we will represent this particular parameter in the above circuit with this parameter. Okay, and one more thing, this H parameter HI is the input impedance, but it is in general input impedance for transistor. So if we want to write input impedance for common emitter configuration, then we have to write HIE. So what it indicates? I means input impedance, but E indicates it is common emitter. It is for common emitter. Okay, similar way we can write HR, this is the reverse voltage gain. So this parameter will be written for common emitter configuration HRE. So E suffix will indicate that it is for common emitter configuration. HF, so this is a forward current gain. For specific common emitter configuration we have to write HFE. Okay, and HO, that is output admittance. For common emitter it will become HOE. Okay, so what we have done, we have changed the name of all four parameters, common parameters, input voltage, input current, output voltage, output current, into a specific name which is related to common emitter configuration. So this change we have to do. Second change, this is a common H parameters for transistor, and this 4 parameter we have to represent with the new name with additional suffix E. So this will represent H parameter of common emitter configuration. So we can rewrite these two equations again with the common emitter configuration. So V1, what will be the V1? It is, we have represented VBE. VBE equals to HI into I1. So HI will become the HIE into I1. So I1 is nothing but the IB. So IB plus here HR into V2. So HR means HRE into V2. So V2 is nothing but the VCE. Okay, now this is new equation we have derived. We give it equation number 3, and similar way second equation, this was I2. So I2 can be represented by IC. Okay, so IC equals to HF into I1. Okay, so HF will replaced by HFE into I1, that is nothing but the IB, plus HO into V2. So HO can be represented by HOE into V2. So V2 is nothing but the VCE. So it is nothing but the equation number 4. So it is very easy to represent a common H parameter of transistor into CE configuration, in a CE configuration. So we can draw this circuit from this particular equation number 3 and equation number 4 for specific H parameter model of common emitter configuration. So circuit will remain same, but the name of parameter will be changed. So this will become HIE. Here the voltage, that is nothing but the VBE, and current is nothing but the IB. This is the dependent voltage source. The value of dependent voltage source will become HRE into V2. V2 is VCE. Okay, HRE into VCE. Now this way, this will be the dependent current source, and this will be the output admittance. So here we are applying the voltage V 2. So this is not V2, this is VCE. Okay, this is HO, so it become HOE. Okay, now here it is I2, so I2 is replaced by IC. Okay, and this is a dependent current source. So dependent current source in this circuit we can see HF into I1. So HFE, I1 means IB. So I1 means IB. Okay, so we can draw a CE equivalent CE model of H parameter. Sorry, we have to give the name like this. H parameter equivalent model of CE configuration. Okay, so that's it. So it is very easy to represent a H parameter equivalent model of common emitter configured transistor. Okay, I hope you understand. Now one more thing we have to study, that we can represent the value of all these 4 parameters as we have derived in 2-port network. So it is very easy that HIE can be represented by VBE upon IB, where which parameter we have to do 0? VCE equals to 0. Similar way we can find out HFE, that is nothing but the IC upon this equation from the equation number 4, IC upon IB, where VCE equals to 0. Similar way we can achieve another 2 equation for HRE. HRE equals to, when we do the IB equals to 0, so HRE will become VBE upon VCE, where IB equals to 0. And from the equation number 4, HOE equals to IC upon VCE, at IB equals to 0. Okay, so this will be the input impedance for common emitter configuration, VBE upon IB at VC equals to 0. This is forward current gain, HFE. Equation is IC upon IB, okay, at VC equals to 0. Now this is a reverse voltage gain, HRE, for common emitter configuration, which is nothing but VBE upon VCE at IB equals to 0, and HOE, which is IC upon VCE admittance, output admittance at IB equals to 0. So this is similar equals to the 2-port parameter circuit which we have which we have derived the equation, but here the suffix are different. Okay, so you have to take care about only this, and you can easily derive the 4 equations of H parameter equivalent value from the equation number 3 and 4. Okay, so I think you will get the clear idea that if it is asked that draw the H parameter equivalent model for common emitter configuration, then you have to do following task. You have to represent this I1 with the IB, V1 with the VBE, I2 with the IC, and V2 with the VCE output voltage. This 4 common H parameter name will represent with the additional suffix of E. Okay, then we can rewrite these 2 equations okay, into new format by putting these two suffix, these two different values or different name in this equation. So we will achieve equation number 3 and 4, which is equivalent equation of this equation, but it is for common emitter configuration. So as we have drawn this circuit for the from the equation 3 and 4 in the transistor model, it is similar circuit we have to draw, but the parameter name will change for common emitter configuration. Okay, so for this lecture we keep up to this particular derivation. In the next lecture we will see another two configuration, that how to derive or draw H parameter equivalent circuit or model of common base and common collector configuration. Thank you.